Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. I'm Aditya, and in this video guys we'll be learning about type conversion in C# language. So in the previous video we have learned about some basic operators, and before that we have learned about some data types and variables. Now we'll be checking out how we can convert a variable from one data type to another data type. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see here, I just opened a simple C# project, and here first let us create a variable called as int a, and here I'll just declare like this int a, and here we'll give a equals some value kind of 10. Now first, before converting into another data type, first we must know the way how we can find out what is the data type of the variable we are working with right now. So for that I can just write cw, and here we'll just write a dot get type, and here you add like this, and this is actually a function, and then you write full name. So this will give us the type of this variable. What is this type? What is the variable of what is the data type of this variable? Now if I run this using the shortcut key Control F5, it should give us int 32. So actually different variables, that is int 16, int 32. These are all the same, but it depends on the size, bit size, 16-bit and 32-bit. So now guys, as you can see on the screen, we got system int 32. So this is a 32-bit integer variable or integer data type. So this a holds int 32. So as you can see here, we got system.int 32 represents a 32-bit signed integer. So that's how we check what is the data type of a variable using these. So first you give here the variable you want to check the data type of, and then you write dot operator, and then here you write get type function, and then we write full name. So I hope you got this. If you are coming from other programming languages, you might be a little bit familiar how this works, this object-oriented programming way. So now let me just close this thing, and now let us see how we can convert a variable. So to convert a data type, a variable of a data type to another data type, we use convert and then dot, and here as you can see we can convert it to all these data types which C# or .NET framework provides us. So here first let us go to the top one and let us check all these steps. So here we have first change type. So these are a little bit too advanced, so let us see from over here. So here to boolean to byte. So byte is also similar to int but with less storage, less bit I think. So here 8-bit unsigned integer, as you can see byte, and char is a single character, and this is date and time, and decimal is nothing but double itself, but they have a special name for that, double and decimal almost same, and then int 16, and then we have int 32, int 64. I think you are able to see that. Yeah, no, int 64 into signed byte. So here we have two string and then two unsigned int. So unsigned is just like no negative, only positive. So now I can just write to double, and here I'll just give the variable which I want to convert to double, and now that's converted. Now let us just write a dot get type, and here I'll just write full name. So as we have written a conversion statement which converts a to double, now we must get this as system.int.double. So here not int, system.double. So let me just run this program. Seeing the output, you might be a little bit confused right now as why is it showing still int 32, whereas right now we converted it to a double using this convert.toDouble a. So the reason is that whenever we are calling this, as soon as the compilers check this line, it converts to double only at this line, and as soon as it goes to this line, which is the line number 12, it just goes away. It is not there, it is just a temporary. So to make it kind of permanent, you can just create another variable. So I'll just write double, and I'll just write my val equals convert to double, and here I can just check. Okay, I'll just keep a like this itself, and here we'll write another cw, and we'll write my val dot get type, and here dot full name. Now guys, let us run this program. So here we have a simple mistake, yeah, and now everything is fine. Now let's build the file and run it. So guys, as you can see over here, we got system int 32 and then double. So the first line, the variable which is a is still in int 32 because this is a temporary conversion, and the conversion value is being stored to myval, and the data type of that myval is nothing but double. So I hope now you got how we convert. Like that you can convert to anything like boolean or a string. And actually there's even one more method. You can just copy this function over here, control X, and I'll just comment this part out, and now let us just write over here. And now this is also valid statement, and now let me even comment this out because we don't have any variable called as myval right now. So let me just run this file, and it should give the same output, but it should show us system double. So as you can see, it is showing system double. So it's only showing for this temporary conversion. So this is a temporary conversion. After this line, if I just write here like a, and now let me just close this first window. So as you can see, still it is a temporary conversion. After printing the data type in this line, it is again being printed the same, which is int 32. I hope you understood how this actually works. If you didn't understand, you can even watch the video again to check how it exactly works more clearly. So if you see the video 2 times or 3 times, you will have a much clearer understanding, and even try to code yourself and write down the important points. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.